guys, it's Sabrina here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, as you can see by the title, is going to be an Allure beauty box, and this box is super special because it's actually partnered with Kat Von D. So I thought it'd be awesome to share it with you guys. I've gotten the last couple of boxes and I just really haven't felt like they were really good products. I really did enjoy them, but I felt like sharing them wasn't anything 110% special, which, don't get me wrong, I still love my little beauty boxes, but I mean, Kat Von D, you guys, come on. So this month is partnered with Allure. It's the Allure beauty box. Now, what am I talking about? And this one is partnered with Kat Von D. So in the booklet, I'm just going to read you real quick what it says on the inside, and it kind of explains a little bit about the box. So it says, Artist in Residence. If you give me an eyeliner, I can create 40 looks with that. I still remember reading that Kat Von D quote a few years back. How do you not love someone who says that? Kat Von D is one of my favorite beauty entrepreneurs. She's got the coolest aesthetic. She was a tattoo artist before starting her own makeup line, and now more people follow her on Instagram than live in all of Denmark. So I'm thrilled to announce that Kat and I created your June box together. It's filled with her 5 all-time favorite products, so you know that you're in for a treat. Her formulas are richly pigmented, long-wearing, and she's passionate about making them cruelty-free. One more reason to love her. And then Elizabeth Siegel, I hope I pronounced that right, is the Deputy Beauty Director for the box. So I know initially I saw online that there was a spoiler alert that all of these products were full-size products. So it's super, super exciting. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. So you guys like these types of videos, feel free to like my video, leave a comment down below which product is your favorite, and then just in general, which Kat Von D product you love the most. So I can see right off the bat, I'm gonna lie, you guys, I already opened it up. I wanted to see what was in here. So overall, I can say up front that I like the box. It's not my favorite, but I'm very excited to try out some of the products that are in here. So the first thing that we have is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner in Trooper Black. So this is a mini size, not the biggest deal in the world. I just do not know how to use eyeliner that well. So I will be playing with this. I've heard very, very, very good things about this, and I really enjoy that it is waterproof. So I'm really happy about that. The next thing that we have is the Kat Von D Lip Liner. This is in the shade Lolita. So I have had the liquid lipstick in Lolita, and I just don't really know if it's really my shade. It could be now that my hair is lighter, but I don't even know if you guys can really see the color, but the packaging does resemble very well what the color does look like. So you do get a full lip liner, and then I got an itch on my face. Okay. The next thing is the Studded Kiss. This is the cream lipstick, and this is in Double Dare, so this is also a mini size. And then that is what the lipstick looks like. Put it back in the packaging here. And then this is the one item. So I'm really excited about the liner. I'm really, 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 really excited about this. And this is the Ole Henriksen. There you go, I just had to think about it for a little bit. And this is the Transforming Walnut Scrub. So this is walnut powder and ginseng extract facial scrub. So it says apply to wet skin and gently massage in an upward circular motion. So with this, I'm going to read off what it says in, whoops, so excited I'm dropping stuff. What it says in the explanation as to why they chose that product. Okay, so it says this facial exfoliator is made with walnut shells, which only sounds gritty. The ingredients have actually been ground into fine powder, so the scrub spreads on smoothly and rinses off easily without your skin red or irritated in the slightest. Far from it. This formula makes your cheeks feel nice and smooth, and it's got aloe and glycerin to help in the skin softening and soothing department. But my favorite thing about this scrub is the way it makes my skin look after I first use it. It was glowier and even dewy, a little dewy, like the effect I normally get from a moisturizing mask, but with a fraction of the time. Okay. And then I'm just checking a look and seeing. I actually haven't read like all of the descriptions in here. So it says let's see. We'll go to the lip liner first, you guys. So it says this isn't just my top Kat Von D product. It's also the liquid liner that I always come back to because it's really good at what it does. It's super fine tip, so you can get right into your lash line, which makes your eyes look bigger without obvious liner. This effect lasts all day. The formula is waterproof and works without flaking or smudging up into your eyelids. The felt tip is nice and sturdy. You can angle it to create a thicker line and wing without any skipping. And I should know, I don't have the steadiest hand, but you never be able to tell from looking at my very even, smooth eyeliner. It's very pigmented, true black, doesn't dry out over time. So that is what that basically says about that. And then the eyeliner or lip liner in Lolita. Any good makeup artist will tell you that the trick to getting your makeup to last is layering multiple textures. Lipstick over pencil, powder, blush over cream. You get the idea. But a lot of pencils dry out, so I usually skip them. And then I took it for a spin under lipstick and was shocked at how it made my lips look noticeably better. They seem crisper, sharper, and even fuller. And better yet, I finally had a Cupid's bow. There's a different word in there. I just don't know how to pronounce it. The pinkish brown shade is ideal for layering under any lipstick with a brown undertone, which brings us to our next product. So that's going to be the lipstick in Double Dare. I could tell you this is a Dusty Rose, but that doesn't really do the shade justice. So it's more vibrant than pinkish brown. So basically we pair these two together, really amps it up, makes your lips look good. So I'm more of a face product girl. I do enjoy lip products, but that is, yeah, that's kind of just how it is. So there's one last product in here that was kind of just like, but I like the explanation of it. I think it's kind of cool. The last thing that you're gonna get is this mirror. So it has her logo on it, and then of course mirror on the other side. I did read the explanation on this. So essentially this mirror is inspired by wax seals on old school letters, which I thought was super cool. There's something very romantic about that. It's small enough to fit in your clutch, but big enough you can see your whole face, which is true. It's purse friendly, and the best thing about it is that people won't even know that it's really a mirror. So those are pretty much all of the explanations about all these products. I'm really excited about, like I said, the facial scrub, the eyeliner, and now that I read the description and I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I can actually pretty much just see my whole face, which is kind of cool for the size of the mirror that it is. So I'm about this far away and I can pretty much just see my whole face. So these are pretty much all the products that are in the Allure Beauty Box this month. If you got the Allure Beauty Box, please leave me a comment down below which one is your favorite. But that pretty much just completes this video. So really bad at outros, you guys. I gotta practice. But like I said, completes the video. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.